What's up, YouTube? Never did this for a minute. This is my review of the Foamposite galaxies. Here we go. This is my unboxing. Yeah, this right here is the galaxies that I got. Nice color. I really like the colors of these. Ooh. I think I might do an on-show video on this, but right now just a review of it. Here's the 7th pair. Really nice, man. I didn't get the Gamma 11s right now, but these right here are due. I got this way later. I got this around like $394. Nice. Make sure you like and share this video. Foamposite galaxies.